Welcome to Hurdlr. We help you manage your business finances and taxes, saving you money, time, and headache. Hurdlr is perfect for full-time entrepreneurs, side gigs, and everything in between. To create a new account, tap Get Started and select your business. Then select the company you're affiliated with, like Uber, your real estate brokerage, or any other freelance business. You can always edit or add another business later from the More menu. Complete your basic account info, and then tap Create an Account. We recommend activating location settings and notifications for the mileage tracker to work. One of the most valuable tax deductions entrepreneurs can take is the mileage deduction. Tracking your mileage in Hurdlr means you know exactly how much you can write off on your tax return, saving you lots of time and money. Hurdlr gives entrepreneurs 3 options to track mileage: auto tracking, semi-auto tracking, and manual tracking. The auto mileage tracker automatically detects when you start driving and records each trip. At your convenience, simply tag each recorded trip as business or personal. To use the semi-auto tracker, first disable auto start tracking, then tap the orange arrow button in the bottom right. When you reach your destination, tap the orange button again to complete the drive. Mileage recorded with the semi-auto tracker will be counted as business mileage by default. To manually enter your mileage, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the mileage tab. This is perfect for adding past trips or trips that you forgot to record with a built-in tracker. Want to see your past trips? Tap the Reviewed tab to see any drive you've previously categorized as business or personal. Hurdlr lets you automate your income and expense tracking by linking with almost 10,000 partner institutions. Enable auto tracking and then select the bank where you receive business income, or add one of Hurdlr's direct integrations with platforms like Square, Uber, or FreshBooks. Once you validate your login credentials, select which account you want to receive transaction updates for. The past 30 days of transaction history will be imported automatically. Once you finish tagging your new transactions, you can go farther back if desired. Any transactions you've already categorized as business or personal are available under the Reviewed tab. To auto-link your expenses, just repeat the same process. That's the basics of tracking your finances in Hurdlr. Lastly, let's talk about your taxes dash. Hurdlr's tax engine calculates your federal, state, and self-employment income tax estimates in real time, so you know how much to set aside and when to pay. Before you can start getting real-time tax estimates, first answer a few basic questions about your tax situation. If you have a full-time, regular job, in addition to side gig or freelance work, enter your annual salary on this screen before taxes. Entering your annual W-2 salary, if applicable, makes Hurdlr's tax engine more accurate. On your taxes dash, you can see your year-to-date estimate or filter by quarter. You can even look at last year's tax estimate or project for the full year. To export a comprehensive tax report when it's time to do your taxes, tap Report. You can select the date ranges you want your report to cover and even send it directly to your accountant. Thanks for watching the Getting Started with Hurdlr video. If you have additional questions, you can always message us within the app by tapping the chat bubble icon.